to what I am going to tell you. The reason for your cough is because you have cancer on your lungs. But he said, don't worry, I will take care of you. I did not share this matter to anybody. I returned to Sagar, to the Bishop House, that is 200 kilometers from Bhopal. First thing I did when I reached the Bishop's house was to call my VG to my office. I opened my drawer shelf and I showed him my last testament where it was kept. Because I knew a patient with a lung cancer is not going to live more than 2-3 months, and I was preparing for my death. But after showing him my last testament, I took the car and went 15 kilometers away from the Bishop's house to the Shrine of Divine Mercy, which is known as Daya Sagar. For 9 days consecutively, I went to this shrine at 3 o'clock. I made a novena asking Jesus to heal me if it is His will. After 9 days novena, I was asked to go to Bhopal Cancer Hospital for further tests and MRI and other tests. But further tests and the results of this test I took to my doctor, and doctor, after looking in the results of this my medical test, he was not uttering a single word. He was quiet. He was just looking at my papers. Finally, he asked me, Bishop, do you believe in miracles? Then I said, yes, doctor, I believe in miracle. He said, what did you do to have this happen? I said, I was praying to Jesus to heal me if it was His will. And doctor said, I am happy for you. You look at the results. You are completely healed of your cancer. I don't see anything, but he said, I want to follow your case for further 2-3 months. You must come to me. I want to examine you, follow your case. But I went to him 3-4 months regularly, and the doctor said, no further development. You are completely healed. From that day onwards, I am really healthy. Never coughed, never had any problem, no cold or any headache. I am enjoying good health. And this is my personal story to testify how Divine Mercy has helped me, stood with me. Also, miracles that is happening in the shrine is a further sign of God's presence in Sagar, in this place known as Daya Sagar. People are coming from neighboring dioceses or hundreds of miles away from the villages, mostly Hindus. They all come to pray, adore, listen to the word of God, and God is working miracles. In Madhya Pradesh, we are not allowed to proclaim, we are not allowed to convert, we are not allowed to baptize non-Christians. But here, in spite of all this, people are flocking here, listen to the word of God. Some of them ask for baptism, but we are very slow to give them baptism. But we have a lot of hundreds, thousands of Christ Bhaktas. That is the new trend in North India. Thousands of people who believe in Jesus, who listen to the word of God, who adore Jesus, who believe that He is Jesus, Son of God. But they are not baptized. So this is also a good sign that Jesus is working miracles in the northern Indian provinces where Christians are persecuted, where Christians are forbidden from preaching the word of God, forbidden from adoration, adoring the word, the Blessed Sacrament, Eucharist. And this is in short my testimony and my firm faith in the Divine Mercy.